Japanese Cheesecake shop dito sa may Auckland. It's Uncle Tetsu's Japanese Cheesecake. So, itatry natin yan later. By the way, this is the famous Sky Tower, which is located also here in Auckland. Yan. Sky Tower. Look at the bus. Malapit na tayo, guys. Okay, so first, tikman muna natin itong, kasi nakuha namin combo. So, we have 2 kinds of cheesecake, and then, meron siyang kasamang Madeline. So, try natin yung Madeline. Okay, so we have chocolate and vanilla flavor. Kasi ito pa lang yung available nilang flavor, hindi pa luto yung ibang klase ng Madeline. So, ayan siya. Chocolate and vanilla flavor. Okay, so try muna natin yung vanilla. Ayan yung itsura niya. Vanilla flavor Madeline. So, I'll try the vanilla flavor. Ayan. And then, siya naman tinatry niya na yung chocolate flavor. Okay. Medyo matabang ng vanilla flavor, pero masarap. I'll try the chocolate. Try mo yung vanilla. Si Kulin, iba yung kinakain niya. Kumakain siya ng hamburger. Mas masarap yung chocolate flavor. Mas masarap to. So, if bibili kayo kung nandito kayo sa Auckland, bilhin nyo yung chocolate flavor, mas masarap. So, now we're going to try this very berry cheesecake. Ayan siya. O, maliit lang. Parang 6 inches lang to na cheesecake. And this is 18 point something dollars. Pag hindi mo kinuha yung Christmas promo, itong very berry cheesecake lang yung bibili mo, it will cost you $18.50 and 6 inches lang to. Parang 6 inches lang siya. So, maliit lang. Pero, syempre, let's taste it. Tingnan natin kung worth it ba yung price niya. Okay, sa loob, nakapack pa siya ng ganito. May cover siya. And malamig. Malamig siya, guys. Okay. Ang liit. Ayan, o. Yung itsura niya, guys. Okay, so, tikman natin. Wala kaming pang slice, so, ganito na lang. Masarap.
Ay.
Hindi siya yung ordinary cheesecake na lasang-lasa mo yung cheesecake. Pero masarap siya. Para siyang mamon na may halong cheesecake. Ganun. Fluffy. Fluffy mamon na may cheese. Parang ganun yung dating. Masarap, hindi siya nakakaumay. Siguro mas masarap to kung nagko-coffee ka. Masarap to i-partner sa coffee. I like it. Ikaw, nagustuhan mo? Masarap. Worth it naman yung $18.50 kung ito lang kung ito yung bibigyan nyo. Now we are going to try the original flavor. Try natin yung original flavor. Okay, so we are going to try the original cheesecake. Ayan. Ito yung packaging niya, guys. Yan. And then sa loob, naka-cover din siya. Katulad ng berry cheesecake. Ayan. Ibalot siya ng ganyan. Then, open natin. Wow! Looks yummy! Oh, ang sarap. Ayan siya. So, sabi dito, pwede nyo itong i-warm up. Warm up the cake using a microwave to get you can warm up the cake for 30 to 60 seconds sa microwave. And then, pwede din naman i-chill nyo siya in the fridge to deepen the flavor of the cream cheese. Okay, so, choice nyo yun. If you want it parang fresh from the oven, pwede nyo i-microwave 30 to 60 seconds. And kung gusto nyo naman mas deepen pa yung flavor ng cream cheese ninyo, well, pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa fridge. So, pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa fridge. Okay, so try na natin. Wala kaming pang slice, so eto na lang. Super moist. Alam mo yung kahit hindi mo na ito kagatin, nagme-melt talaga sa mouth mo. Ang sarap. Masarap. Lasang-lasang yung cheese. Yung cream cheese, lasang-lasang. Pero parang mas gusto ko yung berry. Ako mas gusto ko yung berry flavor kasi yung fruit flavor niya and then yung cheese parang swak na swak. Pero this one naman, kung gusto mong mas malasahan yung cream cheese,